Alright, guys, it is hot as fuck in Beijing on a summer. I can see the smog. I'm sweating. It's hot. But that's where we are now, I guess. Walking towards the Tianamen Square. Yep. It's quite a long walk. But everywhere you see here, like, it's there are cameras everywhere, and it's heavily guarded. There are a lot of the police officers, and you see cameras everywhere, like literally they're watching every move you make. It's kind of scary, but I guess for a country with internet censorship and stuff like that, it's pretty normal for them. They probably don't want another riot. It's my first communist country that I've actually been in. I've never experienced something like this before. I was a little scared, a little worried because of what might happen if I do like open records and I'm walking like this, and people might think I'm doing something, or authorities might think something is up. But yeah, oh god, it's just so hot. But I can see the Chairman Mao, the picture of him, and I'll update you once I get closer. But yeah.